Just, oh my gosh, it's shooting out! Oh no! See, it shot out. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, we are here with day 5 of May 2018 Box Week. So really quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. My name is Drew, and Box Week is the best week every month. I can't talk. My YouTube channel is the 1 week every month that me and my YouTube subscribers spend 7 days together. We have a new video every single day. We open up all my subscription boxes together. Lately, we've been having extra subscription boxes, so our Box Week has kind of been like 7 to 10 days, so it's been really fun. So you're catching us on day 5, and today is actually like the people who are in the Just Like Drew crew. This is like their favorite day of every Box Week because this is our face mask and chill unboxing. So really quick, I would love it if you would pause this video. Go, if you have one, take a face mask, put it on, sheet mask, slather it, whatever you want to put on, and watch this video and face mask with us. This is our one day during the month that we kind of collectively, as like a little community here, do something to care for ourselves and kind of remind ourselves like this is like a way that we can like love ourselves and our bodies, and just it's really a really awesome thing to do. So pause me, put on your face mask, and then come back and resume this video. So today we are going to be opening up Facetory. Facetory is a monthly subscription that is a Korean face mask subscription service, and they have a couple different variations. And before we get into that, I wanted to let you guys know that today we are putting the Rose from Deer Packer into our stockpile giveaway box. We basically have been putting together over the last few months stockpile giveaway of items that I get in my subscription boxes. It's actually our 3rd giveaway that we're putting together. So before we even get going, I'm putting an item into the giveaway box, and I'm going to start putting on my mask. So today's face mask we're going to be doing is the Shake and Shot from Dr. Jart. It's a rubber firming mask. I've never done a rubber mask before. I'm a little nervous. Take these things out, we mix them together in the cup, and then we shake it up, and then this puts on the mask. So I'm actually going to pause this really quick and try to finish putting this in here because I'm having a hard time, and then I'll come back and put it on. So this is like the concoction mixture. The liquid is kind of like a weird purpley tone. So I guess now we're supposed to put on the cover and shake it up. So we're just gonna oh my gosh, it's shooting out! Oh no! See, it shot out! Like try applying this to my face and see what happens. This is like really bizarre. Okay, so I just went off camera to finish putting this on because it was like really going on really sloppy. So that's one thing I will say that I don't like about this mask is that it goes on really, really sloppily. So we'll see what it actually does for my skin at the end of it. But I'm guessing it's supposed to rubberize and harden as we go along. And it's actually supposed to be on for like 15 to 20 minutes. So let's get into our Facetory May box unboxing. So I already cut the seal on this before. I haven't looked in it yet. Just because like lately it seems whenever I am doing a Facetory unboxing, my hands are slippery from putting on a face mask, and then I almost cut myself. So I was like, you know what? Let's just be smart ahead of time today. So opening this up on the top, it says you're a sheet mask queen, and this kind of tells you like the way to like put on your face mask: cleanse and tone your skin, apply mask for 10 to 25 minutes, remove mask and lightly pat remaining excess into skin. And then it says like don't leave mask on for over 30 minutes. When mask dries up, it'll take the moisture back from the skin. And tip 2, use the remaining essence to moisturize the neck and shoulders, which is something I actually do. So when you do a face mask, you have that extra liquid inside of the package, put it on your neck and your shoulders, and it'll be really nice. Today's packaging is yellow tissue paper, and I'm excited to see what the theme is for this month. They always have a little card in here that tells you all about the masks that are actually in your box. So if you're like, okay, what specifically do I do with this one, or how do I use this one? It's a multi-set mask, because all the masks actually do come in Korean. So I really love that they put this in here and truly thought through the concept of this box. The first item we have is I want perfect makeup. Faith in face. Have faith in your face. Makeup ready skin. So this is a pearl cellulose sheet mask for pore care, softening, and moisturizing. So basically this is a mask you put on right before you do your makeup, and it's going to give you a really nice softened skin look appeal. So that looks really cool. The next mask that we have is glowing marigold mask with floral skincare recipe from Feel XO. So it looks like this one is something that has more of a floral scent to it. So if you're kind of allergic to different smells, maybe be careful with that one. And basically this one is going to help make your skin glow. So that's basically essentially what this is, using like marigold flower. The next one we have is Cosmeti Green Tea Soothing Moisture Mask. As I tell you guys, I love when I get a soothing sheet mask because those are always really great to use after you actually do like get your like eyebrows waxed or your mustache waxed. Doing a soothing mask like that night after you get that done is always really great to kind of help your skin rebalance itself, or maybe a rose sheet mask as well. So basically the green tea is not only good to drink and good for your body, it's also an amazing ingredient praised for its ability to soothe and moisturize your skin. So this is going to be a deep moisture and soothing as well. All right, next we have Her Story Aqua Mask Sheet. And basically this is another one to help with anti-aging and glowing and making your skin look nice and fresh. And I'm guessing it's going to be a deep moisturizing because it has aqua in the title. All right. Next we have Wanjin Effect. This is a 3-step mask here, and it looks like it has, looks like it's probably got honey with it. Yes, it's a honey bomb mask with honey milk and pooey and then the mask. So there's like 3 different steps here. It looks like step 1, you apply with bee honey milk all over your skin to provide your skin with nutrients. Step 2 is you put in the re-effect and pooey into your skin to give it extra care and moisture. And then step 3, you put the mask on. So I'm guessing if your skin is really drying out or having like issues like with moisture retention, this would be a really good mask for that because they give you 3 steps in order to really lock in that moisture. I love it when you have a sheet mask that has you put on like an essence onto your skin before you put on the mask, because I've noticed that my skin will just be insanely hydrated and moisturized after that. So that is really, really awesome. Next we have Milky Glow Calming Moisture Mask. Give your skin the milkiest glow as you sheet mask with this newly released No HJ Milky Glow Calming Moisture Mask. Everyone will be asking where your springtime glow is from. So this is another one to help your skin glow. If you look, it's a little bit reflective also on the packaging. It looks like they've been doing a lot that are like glow enhancing masks, which is actually really good for this time of year, simply because whenever there's like a shift in weather, so it's like warming up or like there's rain and stuff like that, your skin actually takes a big beating. Like I've noticed whenever it's like the weather goes from like really warm to rainy, like my skin just like the texture just gets all out of balance and out of control. So whenever you're having a day like that where it's like there's been a lot of weather shifts, a calming mask is really, really good for that. And this is a calming and moisturizing mask. So it's going to put moisture back into your skin, as well as it's going to help your skin kind of relax and chill out. So then the last mask we have in here is Urban City Azulene Aquaring Mask, which is right here. Oh, look at, she looks super fancy like I like to look. No, not really. This packaging will bring you retro vibes with its awesome graphic and aesthetic. Look as fabulous as the woman on this mask as you sit back and watch your skin get restored and moisturized. So this is another one that is about moisture. So it looks like the theme of this box this month was all about moisture and retention. So really quick to recap, we got the Have Faith in Face I Want Perfect Makeup. This is a pre-makeup mask you want to do right before you do a makeup application. The Glowing Marigold Mask, which is supposed to help your skin glow and get moisture kind of locked back in. The Green Tea Cosmeti Mask, which is a soothing moisture mask. The Her Story Aqua Mask, which is also another big moisturizing mask. The one that I'm most excited about, the Wanjin Effect, the 3-step mask here, which is the honey milk and pooey and honey bomb mask down here, which is supposed to like really intensify that moisture and help it like kind of lock into your skin. The Milky Glow Calming Moisture Mask, which I'm also really excited about that one because it's supposed to help calm your skin as well as moisturize. And like I said, it's really good when you have a lot of weather shifts going on to kind of help like balance out your skin tone as well as add hydration. And then the Urban City Azulene Aquaring Mask. So overall, I like this box. I like all of the masks they gave. I will say, this one didn't seem as like creative as some of their previous boxes. I think all the masks look like great masks I've never tried before, so I'm excited about that. But I feel like in some previous months that they've had boxes that are a lot more like themed specifically, and this one just kind of seems like we gave you 7 really nice masks, which yes, but it's not as much like themed like they've had in the past. So that's all I'll say about it, but otherwise I think it's really great. So this still has to sit on my skin for a little while, so I'm gonna go off camera and just chill out for a little bit, and then when it's time I'll come back, reveal my skin to you guys, and we will say goodbye. All right, so see you in a second. Okay, it has been enough time, so I'm back and ready to peel this off. So I'm just gonna go at the side or the top, trying to find a good spot here. and start peeling this off of my skin. This is really weird. It did not like harden like I thought it would, and it actually stayed really, really soft. I kind of had this expectation that it was gonna be like really like difficult to get off of my skin, and it's peeling off pretty easily. Like, look at that, it's really soft. So I will say that's one cool thing about it, and it stayed in place really good too. A lot of times these masks like drip off your skin that are like the mixture ones, and this one stayed like pretty much. It didn't really get like gooey, gross, and fly everywhere, except for when I went to shake it up. Oh my god, that was crazy. Ugh, okay. So this is my skin after. I don't know, I guess I'll have to, like a lot of times I've noticed with masks like these too, you usually have to give it a few minutes after you take the mask off for your skin to actually start noticing a change. It's like the weirdest thing, like it's like the air like activates it or something, and then your skin will just suddenly be like, oh my god, wow, this feels amazing. I don't know. But I mean, I do think my skin looks nice and plump and colorful, I will say that. I definitely, before I filmed this, I had just gotten done doing my gym workout, and I decided to take a Zumba class today, which I haven't taken a Zumba class in a long time. I just decided to switch it up. So, you know, my skin was definitely feeling a little bit less happy like normal. All right, so I'm gonna take a rag and I'm just gonna try and wipe off the excess off of my skin so that I'm not here trying to peel off these tiny little pieces for the rest of my life. Oh, okay. There we go. Now my skin's getting red, of course. Okay, so that is it. If this is your first time joining me and you stayed till the end, thank you for sticking it out with us. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you face masked and chilled with us as well. Otherwise, that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way it is down below this video on YouTube. If you want to be a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for box week day 6. Otherwise, talk to you. Love you. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. Okay. Can we get back to the video now?
Yeah.
How about we do all the funny stuff at the end of the video, okay? Sound good?
Sorry, guys.
Okay, so we'll do this at the end, okay?
Stuff.
Yeah,
fun
at
stuff.
the end. No, at the end. Okay, so